Hi guys. Today what I'd like to do is show you how you can remove the background of an image. So we're just going to take out the background of an image of sort of an actual object. Okay, so this is the original right here. And you can see that this has the background in it. And what we're going to do is just quickly and easily take out the background. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to go to the full screen here. And I'm going to come up here to first of all, you need to open this in preview. So that's important. So just make sure that you're opening this in preview. And I'm going to come up here to the tools and I'm going to use the magic wand. Okay, so I'm using the magic wand. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag and turn this, try to turn, if I can get the TARDIS here to be red. Okay, now you can see that I've turned it red, but I'm missing these parts right here. So that's going to be a problem. So I'm going to escape that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the background red. So I'm going to drag this, and you can see the background is becoming red. And I'm going to just drag this up. Now I got to be careful. You can see that the police part, the black part up top, turned red. And then I'm just going to delete it. I need to convert this to a JPEG. So I hit the delete key. Let me expand this again. Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing on this side. I'm going to use my magic wand here, and I'm going to drag and just try to get rid of this background here as much as I can. Okay, and then I'm going to drag here. You can see that it's selected up here, so I don't want to do that. So I'm going to hit the escape. I'm going to go up to my magic wand, and you have to be careful about what you're deleting. Okay, so I'm dragging this to try to get rid of that background, and then I can delete it. I'm going to drag this to get rid of that background, and then delete it. And then lastly, one of the things I can do is this. I can actually, I'm going to do the same thing. This time I should be able to select the entire TARDIS. You can see I've selected the whole thing here. And I'm going to come up here and I'm going to use the crop button. And then that got rid of any other little bits that were around the outside. So if you can remove most of the background and then select the image that you want, you can then use that crop button to crop out. And it's disappeared, but it was right here. There's a crop button. All right, thanks for watching.